Alright guys, welcome to the second part of the haul video. We're going to be discussing more of the paper pads, and I want to give you a flip through of them. So I just got two of the Sun and Fun paper pad sheets. So these are the sheets because the paper pad is not available. Let me have you go a little bit farther away. So this one is strips, and the green part is the back part. Next paper and the last for Sun and Fun are coats, which is like the cut apart strips, and the bear is so cute. And this is the back part. Lots and lots of quotes. Super tiny stuff. If you're into cutting all that, then that's great. Okay, the next one is the Hey Hello collection by Jen Hadfield, and this has gold foil in it right there, and this is so cute and inspiring. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through of it. I'm gonna move you a little bit closer, close enough to see but not close enough to bump into the camera. So right there, these are so pretty, and you're gonna see that it's gold foiled. Isn't that so pretty? And this is from Jen Hadfield. They're so pretty. You can make cards, you can make mini albums. The beautiful paper, absolutely gorgeous, guys. Super beautiful. How cute, right? Look at that. And then the strips, I love the strips, and I love utilizing that for some embellishments. These are so pretty. Look at this basket. Look at this basket. How cute is that? It has a water bottle. It has so many things. It has so many coats too, like I got your back, take your time and feel better soon. Kind of very encouraging. Right, get well soon. Some printed butterfly paper. So this is single-sided, guys. If you buy the pack, this is single-sided. I'm gonna go through it a little bit faster because I have a lot to show you. Friends make life sweeter. Let's keep in touch. Purse, cute stuff. And this is so beautiful, I think. And then the cut apart tags, the cut aparts, the flags, and the 2x2s. And I love this. I love this so much that I got one sheet that's separate. And this is the back part. And then I got this one too, which is not in the paper. It's called Blushing Hedgehogs. And this is not part of this sheet, but this is the back part. And I was thinking of fussy cutting these and making them into embellishments, paper clips, etc. So that's gonna be a future video, guys. Let me put this down. So these are so cute. I'm thinking of using like a Nouveau drop, like a clear Nouveau drop, and making my own enamel embellishment, but I'm not sure. That's just in my brain, but I'm not sure if it's gonna translate, so I'm gonna experiment on that and see how it goes. So this are the tags on the bottom, so very cute. The cut aparts, which is for Project Life, which is also you can use for cards, and these one are the flags that you can cut apart, and these are the 2x2s. How cute, and they are gold foiled as well. And these are the cute cupcake hedgehogs. Adorbs. Beautiful florals, beautiful colors. Beautiful, gorgeous colors. I love that. And here's another one. So let's start with the 2x2s. The 2x2 strips right here. And then we have the flags that are beautiful sentiments. And then these are the 3x4 cut aparts. You can use for either cards. It's up to you. And then these are the tags. Some florals. This is foiled, guys. Beautiful florals as well. And then here's another cut apart. We're going to start with the tags. These are tags. These are tags that are more thank you so much. 3x4 and gold foiled steel. And then these are the thank you flags, and these are the thank you 2x2s. How cute. It just covers everything. If you're scrapbooking, if you're card making, it just covers them all. This is a great pad to have, and it goes a long way. This is about hello, just for you. Imagine that. There. How beautiful. So this is the repeat part. So you get 2 of each, guys. So that is the Jen Hadfield Hey Hello collection. With that, the ephemera pieces, the ephemera packs are all sold out, so I didn't get that. So this is a 12x12 accent stickers. There's 78 stickers. Look at that hedgehog. It makes me want to bring back my hedgehog stamps from Penny Black. And I still have those. Look at these coffee cups. They're so inspiring. It makes me want to copy these combinations. How sweet. Look at the hedgehog. So cute. They're so cute and whimsical. And then together with that, we have this sticker book. So we have these. The back part are flowers. How pretty. And then flags again. You're going to be really hooked up with all this. You have a lot to play with in this collection, guys. And just imagine, I don't even have the ephemera pack, and I feel like I have so many already, and I have so many ideas just cutting the papers apart. And this is the summary in the back. Right there. And then I have the summer market, and this is from Cartabella. Cartabella makes amazing quality papers, so that is amazing. So I got an extra sheet of this one. Let me have you move farther away. So this is what it looks like. So this is Summer Market. That's what it looks like by Jen Ellison. Beautiful colors for summer. Cut apart strips, and this is very quality paper. That's the back part. Gorgeous florals. So beautiful, you guys. And you know me and gingham or buffalo check, they're my friends. Cut apart sheets that are so pretty. Strawberries is perfect for summer. Seriously, so beautiful. Shiplap. How cute. Like, it's very difficult to choose what side. You almost want to, but you just have to make a smart decision about it. This is their back part, and this is the front part. How gorgeous are these flowers? I can already imagine. So pretty. I just wish I got the 6x6 of this one. So this is a gift from a friend. Right there. And the stripes are so beautiful. And this one, I got an extra sheet of this, and I started cutting it up. And I'll show you. I got an extra sheet of that, and I started cutting it up, which is I love so much. I'm gonna run out. Alright, so this is, I run out of memory. So this is the back part, and this is the front part of the fruit section. Wouldn't that be so cute? Just cutting this up, making it as an ephemera, and putting a sentiment on top. How beautiful. And this is a sticker sheet. In true Cartabella fashion, it is so beautiful, so well thought of. It's all well put together, and the colors are amazing. And it is farmhouse inspired, which is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Love it. And this is the last part. This is not very new. This is an older collection. What year was this released? Okay, this is released last year. It's not very new, but I think this set would make a very cute traveler's notebook combo, so that's the reason why I got it. What I normally do is I get the 12 by 12 paper pad so that I can use for the traveler's notebook, etc., and the bags and the suitcases, and then I use the 6 by 6 to make the ephemera. If I don't have any kind of ephemera, I'll make up my own, but luckily I have a chipboard accent sticker, so that is one-sided, but they're all very, very cute. I'm gonna go through the papers real quick. So this is a 6 by 6, very quickly, and this is great quality paper. This is flamingos. I don't think anybody's traveling right now, but I'm sure you have travel photos, guys. I'm sure you have. These, aren't they so cute? And this is so cute, and I'm so glad that they have a larger version of this, because that will be such an amazing thing to cut apart. Yes, all the flights are canceled right now. I just hope and pray that everybody's holding up okay. Just stay strong, guys. We will get through this. We just have to follow the rules. I was trying to fit my friend Sherry gave me a respirator. It's a P95 respirator. Comment down below if you have any experience on using the P95, because at work we're kind of running out of supplies, and so I'll insert a photo of me going crazy, trying the the face shield, the face goggles, and the P95 together. It's funny right now, but if you really need it to protect yourself, if you have an infected patient, then it's really worthwhile using, right? Anyways, these are some things that are so cute to cut apart, don't you think? And then put it, so you fussy cut this and then put it on, and then you just put it on anything, tags, coffee cups, anything, seriously. And these are the last two, and it repeats. The big version is the same exact thing. I'm gonna get you up higher. Exact same thing, but only bigger. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is something fun to cut apart, right? And this one, the travel icons. I don't know what this is. Anybody knows what is the significance of that in travel? Maybe I just don't know. I'm praying for everyone, especially like my friends and family who are immunocompromised and elderly. It's just scary, but all we can do is just follow the rules, social distancing, and wash our hands. We will get through this, you guys. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I wish they sold just individual. I would love to buy this just individually. This is the thing I was talking about, you guys. The tags, the business tags or the travel tags. Wouldn't that be so cute to cut apart? Ooh, that's another video. You know, sometimes you're so inspired. You have so many video ideas. I really need to write all this down because I don't want to forget that these are my plans. These are so cute, like stamps. How cute are the Vespa? And then this is my favorite. This is the reason why I got this collection, is to be able to cut this apart, because there's no, you know, individual sheets that are being sold. Just a red plain. And this one, the cut apart sheet, and this is the back part. So guys, thank you so much for watching the second part of my video. I hope you had fun. I hope it inspired you to use your scrap stash today. Please stay safe, stay strong. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye!